Hey there, Jerry's DIY here, coming at you with another light bulb review of the General Electric LED string light replacement in 2700K, soft white. As you can see, it is suitable for damp locations, or as they say now, wet rated. So it uses 1 watt, and that's about equivalent to around 8 or 9 watts incandescent. It's S14 shape, of course. Pretty neat, pretty neat. And there are lighting facts here, of course. Shows you all the basic stuff. How much it'll cost you at 3 hours per day. And should technically last about 13 years, and I could picture it if you didn't use it outside, it could probably last maybe that long. And it's got the Underwriters Laboratories listing, so it's relatively safe, you know. And then you've got all your cautions and things like that. I like how the LEDs are just so versatile. I mean, look at that. Minimum starting temperature, -20 Celsius. That's pretty crazy. But it just goes to show, you know, how these are really designed for. You can barely see the circuitry. You can see the cement that keeps the envelope on there. You might not be able to see it too well, but of course these are our LEDs in series. Now let's take a look at how it functions. There we are. As you can see, very low lumen output. 60 lumens just about. And it's a very pleasant light. And the thing I like about these is they're very suitable for table lamps, bedside lamps, pendant lamps. Very good accents, or, you know, if you just aren't into very harsh light, you know, in a lamp, this would be great, just like the S11 that I'll probably be reviewing soon from General Electric. It's non-dimmable, and I actually have tried dimming it. It's not very good results, but just for the hell of it, we're going to do it anyway. And here we go. As you can see, it comes on. And let's just take a look at this real quick, just to see what that looks like. You'll notice that there's very little flickering, and I'm very impressed with that. In fact, it looks like there's almost no flickering. That's not bad. So let's try dimming it down and see what we get. Okay, you can see instantly it kind of dims out a little bit right there. Yeah, look at this. Look at that, isn't that crazy? Yeah, so it does dim pretty interestingly. Again, it's not supposed to be like that. You can see where it jumps right there. Goes down, and then it goes down just a little bit like that. Then we get that jump again. So again, not meant to do that, but it does do that. Anyway, that's just my quick review of this LED string light replacement. I mean, definitely suitable for the, you know, string light, but also good for other uses too, if you should ever decide to use it for that. Well, until next time.